I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is WPFunnel. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to WPFunnel Dashboard. Click on Edit. Now click on three dots in the top right corner. Then click on Webhook. Add webhook. Give a name. And paste here the webhook URL. Select Request Method. Select Request Format. Select Webhook Event. Then click on Save. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bid Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Now here search and select Telegram. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want to get the bot API key. Please visit your Telegram bot father. Copy the token and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Select Chat List. Map the respective fields. You can attach file also. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Telegram. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and type some information. And submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now let's go to the Telegram. Here is the data that came into Telegram through the integration. Thanks for watching.